enthusiastic. Welcome back to the channel. So today we will see how to fill the serial number automatically in Excel. So here we will write sequence formula, then count all, and now you'll select the column. You'll do -1 to exclude the headers, and you'll press enter. So you have seen the data over here. It has filled automatically. As you write name, the numbers are going to fill automatically. Hello Excel enthusiastic, welcome back to the channel. So today we will learn how to fill serial number automatically. So you'll write sequence formula, sequence count all. You'll select the column and do -1. It will exclude the header, serial number and name. Press enter. So as you can see, the numbers have been the serial numbers have been filled automatically. Suppose you write here, you can see how the numbers are getting automatically. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel Excel Up. Thank you. If you found our video useful, please keep following Excel Up for more such Excel videos. Thank you.